Oh my God, that's hilariously small. Too tight. That's pretty cool. What's up guys? My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and I've been doing travel gear and travel luggage reviews on this channel for about 4 years now. First and foremost, as a consumer, there are certain aspects about taking gear with me abroad that are super important to me, like reliability, efficiency, affordability. All of these things are gonna be crucial on my adventures and my travels, and I'm sure it's the same for you. That's why I love making these videos. I love informing you guys, reviewing things so that you don't have to, and letting you know if this is worth that coin or this is worth the time, all that stuff, okay? So today we're gonna do a review for my new travel backpack. So I was sent this beautiful travel backpack that has not only reliable and efficient callouts, but this is an ethically sound bag. And I'll get into that later, but look at it. It's beautiful. This is the 46-liter Raja carry-on from Untitled. I'm gonna be reviewing it today and see what's good, what's bad, what's ugly, what's a slay, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so this is, like I said, this is the Untitled Raja backpack in the 46-liter size. I think there are two different sizes. I sized up, and this is gonna act as a carry-on backpack. You should be able to fit a ton of stuff in here, so let's check it out. First and foremost, the inside is big enough to purse pack. I've got the callouts right here listed on my computer, and we're gonna see if those line up with this, and so I don't miss anything. So this is a roll top, which is super good for securing everything. And you can see there are two clasps there. This guy's huge. Oh my God, look at this. That is, yeah, that's 46 liters, all right. That is huge. I wonder if I could, like, you know the potato sack races? That's pretty big. Girl, I got some thighs too. That's pretty big. Look at that. Okay, cut back. Can fit a lot. There's also a little pocket in here that they said is great for storing documents, which is like 8.5 by 11 size paper that could fit in there. There's an additional inside pocket for like loose stuff. And this bag is apparently waterproof. Yeah, we've got to test it. Okay, now let's see if the paper inside is dry. My mom, cue to mom, pan over to mom. She blasted me with those. So if the paper is dry inside, this is a waterproof bag. Oh my gosh, it looks dry! It's dry, completely dry! It is waterproof. Me, not so much. Perhaps one of the coolest things about these bags that I should have started with, to be honest, and not gone right to the potato sack race. But these patterns that you see, there are different ones that you can buy on the website. This is a Vietnam pattern. I think Vietnam 5 is the colorway. These are called threads, and these actually come off of the bag and can be replaced. So if you don't want the Vietnam, maybe you're feeling the Ghana pattern, or maybe you're feeling the India pattern, you can switch them all. And they're not just named after these places, they're made there by local artisans. So this company pairs up with small villages and actual artists, and they create these. And Untitled helps to support those artists with proceeds. And it's one big cycle of not just made in a factory, which is so freaking cool in my opinion. But that's just what I think. You make your own decision, but these artists are located in Ghana, Indonesia, Vietnam, like I said, India, I think. So, it's just so sick. I don't know, but there is a pocket on the front too that you can slide into, and that'd be really good for like a map or a little travel book. Okay, and as you can see from the sides here, this can really expand the size in the bag or compress it, which I really love because carry-ons, you know, some airlines, they want to test you. They want to be testing you. Anyway, we want to get the bag as small as possible, right? So that's really good at compressing not only the top, but the bottom too. Sweet. Well, I want to see what these things are. What is this? So there's a pocket here you could put like a water bottle in. Ooh, look, that's so pretty. And then there's an extra pocket in here, and that is in and of itself, that's pretty big. It's pretty big. And then this, you guys. So this backpack boasts as a travel laptop backpack, which if you flip these forward, you can get access to a 15 to 17 inch MacBook laptop case. Laptop not included. But I have mine here, so I'm gonna try it. So this is I think this one's 13 or 15. Oh my God, that's hilariously small. And this is like this is padded in like a microfiber, so no scratches. But look at how much room that is. I think it also fits PCs too. I'll keep that in there. Let's put it on because this looks tempting here. So, we've got a chest clip. Let's put that on. Too tight. Okay, chest clip, and let's feel the padding here. Feels really good. How does it look? Look good? I really like it. I like the way it fits. And there's an additional belt you can add on, which we did get, which you can have an additional pocket here. Oh, that's actually good. That could be some loose change or money in there that's right on your hip. Another one on this side. And that helps to disperse the weight a little bit. That's actually really comfortable. I really like that. What do you think? I love it. It's comfy too. There is padding in the back in case you were worrying. Okay, so I checked that side. I want to check this side now. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Oh, okay, this is cool. Let's check this out. So there's some like pen slots here, another little package here with that pretty pattern. But this is an easy access into the bag. So let's say I need a pair of socks out of here. I can pop this open and reach in, easy access, and find those socks. That's pretty cool. That's pretty handy. And then there is another little pocket here, water bottle. That one's expandable. It's a little bit bigger. I probably put the water over here. Price point is also super important to me. So these retail for $219 US. That's a lot of money. I'm gonna leave it up to you to decide if these are the qualifications that best suit you for an investment of a travel bag, but every travel bag you're going to find that is a travel bag, and that's your one carry-on, whether it's from REI or Ethnotech or wherever it may be, it's gonna be an investment. The quality nylon that they use on all of these kind of products, not just this brand, but all of them, that last through those adventures is gonna be a little bit higher of a price point. So it's just a matter of you investing in one that you love. Maybe it's this, maybe it's not. Doesn't matter to me. It's up to you guys. But this one is $219. There's a sale going on one of the colorways. I think it's one of the India colorways. If you're watching this now, if you're watching it the day that this posted, it's on sale now. So go find it. It's like $175. Maybe that's the right price point. I don't know. It's totally up to you. You guys know I'm never gonna pressure you to buy something if you don't want it, love it, or can't afford it. and that's okay. But I do have a coupon code that'll save you some coin, as well as give me commission at no extra cost to use. If you want to use my code at checkout, you can. I would love that. It helps to support the channel. But I think that's a wrap on this review. Honestly, guys, this is a 10 out of 10 bag. This really is. It checks all the boxes for me, and it's comfortable, and it looks good on both me and my husband. This is kind of like a unisex pattern. I love it. I really think it's so cool. It checks off all the boxes. It's huge, but can also be compacted, smaller, you know what I mean? I think it's a great travel bag. Maybe it's one worth having in your arsenal. Totally up to you though, but it's definitely jet lag live approved. That is all I have for you guys on this travel gear review. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by commenting down below or give this video a thumbs up. As always, safe travels to you and yours. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.